Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. Our today's topic is octal to binary conversion. Today we will be discussing how to convert any octal number into the binary, and for this conversion we will be using a table because it's a direct conversion actually, and this table is being created by using a code 421. As you know, the base or the radix of a octal number system is 8, and the base of the or the radix of a binary number system is 2. So finding the relation between both of the bases or the radix, you can see here the 2 raised to power 3 and here it is 2 raised to power 1. So that means the bases, when we are going to take the base here same, then this will be the relation that if we want to convert the octal number into the binary, we will be using here the 3 digits, right? So here I am for 3 digits I am using a code 421. So 0 will be equal to 000 and 1 will be equal to 001. As I am going to just take this one, consider this one, all other bits will be 0. So 1 is equal to 001, and for the code 2, here I will be considering the 2 only, so that's why the 2 is 1, otherwise all the digits I don't want, so those are 0 and 0. So that's why the code for binary code for the 2 octal number 2 is 010. As we have created all this, and as we are having 0 to 7 numbers in the octal number system, the maximum number 7 can be represented by 111 in binary. So this is a table, and this will be used into the octal to binary conversions basically. So I will be solving some of the example using the this table. Suppose I will be using this for the reference. So suppose our first example I am going to take is that is suppose we are having a number 421, and this number is in a octal number system, and we have to convert this numbers into a binary number system. So it's a very simple to convert this octal number into the binary. What we have to do is we have to consider each and every digit of the number one by one, and have to convert that digit into the binary using that table. So the first digit is 4. I will be taking this 4 and will be writing the code of the 4 octal number 4 into the binary. So I am just showing you the table again. Here you can see this is the 4 and the binary number for 4 is 100. So I am just going to write here 100, right? So next digit I am going to take is 2. So the binary code for the octal number 2 is 010. So I will be here writing 010, and the next I am here considering the 1, and the binary code of the octal octal number 1 is 001. So I have to write here 001, and that's it. Now the number that is 421, that is in the octal number system, is equal to 1000001 in the binary number system, right? So I will be solving one more example for you, so that you can just understand the concept very clearly. So the next example I am going to take is 673. Now this is a octal number, and we have to convert this number into the binary number system. So again I will be considering each and every digit one by one. So the code of the 6 is 110. Code for the 7 is 1 1 1. Code for the 3 in the binary is 0 1 1. And now the 673 in octal number system is equal to, I am writing this number in the answer, 110 111 011. That's equivalent in the binary number system. So one more example I am going to take is, suppose we are having a 4-digit number 7545, and now this number is a octal number system, in the octal number system, and we have to convert this into the binary. So again, using the same method and using the same table, 7 is equal to 111, 5 is equal to 101, 4 will be equal to 100, and again 5 is equal to 101. So the number 7545 in octal number system will be equal to 111, 101, 100, 101 in the binary number system. So you can see it's very simple to convert the numbers from the octal number system to the binary number system. One more example I am going to solve. Now this time I am going to have a decimal number. That means suppose I am having 13.54, 13.54, and this number is a octal number, and we have to convert this number into the binary number system. Again, using the same method with the reference of the table, the code for the 1 will be equal to 001, code for the 3 is 011, yes, code for the 5 is 101, and code for the 4 is 100. So the number 13.54 will be equal to 001, 011, here I will be considering the decimal also, 001, 011.101,100. This is the binary equivalent of this octal number. So this is how you can convert the octal number to the binary, and you can see like this is a very easy and the direct method of this conversion. I have explained all other conversions also in my videos. You can check the link given in the description box. If you have still not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.